Maybe expect ukuthi uzothi iswilo sawohlwane.
Iwohlwane.
Yeah, imwanathi.
Yes. Okay. And this one, it's a woman who came with this Jumsong.
The coffin.
A coffin. She came with a coffin. A whole coffin.
A coffin with the cops inside.
A coffin. A whole coffin. With the owner of a coffin inside. Yo.
Baru kren lepokisi le monga lepokisi ka.
Yes.
Umandisi uzwele umntana abantu isono celela ama donations.
Okay.
Donatela kuma 60,000.
Wow.
60,000.
Yeah. So like
Oh my
trending,
God.
so we donate and then you got like up to 60,000 and then it was
Wow, that's nice.
and it was like
Exactly. Wanrutile ndena kitsa ka mundeni.
Andingeni indawo tata.
But still it's like continue. Okay, awungeni indawo re understand, but still it's like continue ka crime.
Ka crime still.
Lila ka crime.
Guys, but now,
it's gonna register
guys,
crime.
no, if you want, no, if
Chitale motho o tsuba le drugs. Ke amotsele molele misa rehab. Ba bo go rehab still. If I want them keep am busy, go boela tsuba di drugs. That's what I'm saying.
okay, but listen to me. There's like 100 billion of people that are unemployed that have done nothing to work. They
Thank
just deserve
you.
a job. There could be a problem creating jobs for them.
thank
not
you.
for
At this
prisoners.
point, I don't want to think anything for prisoners. We're still suffering ourselves out here.
That's
So the only reason for you to get a decent
guy lena ba rutsile go jele ka parole. You understand? I tswa go jele, he was happy and then afika ka mo nke he had nowhere to go. And then no santse re be ho ba ho for 1 week a bona ra ntwa e pereke ka mele ka mo and mothola ka kwa jele ke wo lo re ko mo lo tshore nombolo ale ka kwa wa dipsina mara wa bona re ka mo ke phela masepa bona re ngono go utswa something and then ke boele back to jail.
And he
So
did
lena
that.
dira sa commit
Crime.
but he committed crime and then went back to jail.
Yeah,
Can you hear me, man?
yeah, please keep it here.
Oh my God.
Ube
Like, yeah.
bo so
So.
njengoba ungafuna ukulala endlini uyenze kanjalo. Kiri atshware mic o tshwana le ka mogala inconsistent lo senya ko ya kontlo. Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Ale a koloma sha.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Ekista le motsebe go story ke mang otherwise.
Because wow. Okay, that's a nice intro.
Thank
Hi,
you.
everybody. Hi, it's the Happy Ghost here. And welcome.
Siyabonga. Are.
How na ke re ka so today.
Okay.
Are
Yeah,
motho
last
wena.
time bathe ngijemile yazi why bengifuna ukuzi-introduce ngesishangane. Okay. Athi phew. Vamakwerhu. Emakorongweni ama timing. Mfana wa kumvita namuntlha afika tolo.
Okay.
Welcome.
Yeah, we akiri vula usamele mfana wokumbiza kusasa umele akayizwanga ngisho ukhulume ka No, give him that. No, please. Move.
Okay, hayi uma timing umfana ombiza namhla yafika izolo.
Umzile. Welcome.
Awusasho ukuthi ngishilo sabutomi.
Okay, hayi. I swilo swa vutomi leswi
ya
nga chavi vamakwerhu swilo swa vutomi
ra khensa ya khensa
Kenzie.
i khensile swinene ne i
a
khensile
mina
swinene
bengi-expect ukuthi uzothi i swilo swa hohlwane
hi wohlwana
ya i mun'wanati
yes okay Hi guys, this is your girl Dawson Lady D. Tla ke le botseng. Starting from today, guys, ne, I don't want you to call me D. You call me Dawson, cause starting from today, I am very consistent with my English.
Okay.
The disrespect that I'm getting
From people.
from you guys who think
From
you know me,
people.
Yeah.
it needs to end.
It
Yeah.
needs to end. Like
Yeah.
it needs to come to
But
an end.
It needs to end.
somehow you don't have to do it just to prove them.
At this point, I'm not proving them. I believe I have to be the person that I am. My TikTokers know me. I
Yeah.
think about like shilo ko.
But she look, yeah, kwa.
Ukashilo ku Facebook.
Kwa.
Kuka-
Kwa.
Nkare ba ka kwa ka mo go marapa ka latlhelang gole ka gone go la kware ke le shile
Kwa.
kae kwa
Le mic I see. Ke be ke nyaka go bea mic mo re ba kwa wa re kare.
yo
Yo.
le kwele go boima. Anyway guys, na nga potete magansha today o practice o mphonage
Ari.
ara le go ba
Mm.
ka re I want to show you hore I have seen na mo pedi fela ke na le motswadi o mo so ke nyaka mo dira proud today.
Ke mang nao?
Kasarene.
Oh,
Let's
fine.
hear you, girl.
Ke ne be
Let's hear you.
nka sa bula le be ke nyaka go reta o thoma go reta ka shanga.
Ntsha diphiri.
Aye bafethu ba re shilokoloka shina mulano bona vanhu va sure. This is aye your host ke aye na kana la madi a monna mosepedi ga tšama pela na masaka chepis ke rana boy ke mo ka le pheko se se wonka ga se ke sha ke nna ke ngwana tša gala ka modidi a matepe sa mtša ki ke mo ram phela la makga go se ke go le sa matšele mogala a ja ke tšhaba diteke no ba ke compana go
Yes way. Yeah. Mahla.
yeah
Mahla.
Ngwana ma.
Yeah.
yeah
Mahla.
yeah
Re lo kwile. A wa re lo kushishije she.
le shapo man
Ah, you know what, we be doing good.
How was your week your weekend or week ngizozibe kanjani ifikile nibele njani phela isilungisa msi disable
yeah
At least you know it was.
At least, yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm proud you can say that out loud. My week was fine, Shim. Was
Yeah,
so
yeah.
busy as always,
Yeah.
hectic, tiring, but
Yeah.
pashasha.
yeah
hoping
How
for the
was yours,
best.
happy coast
Mine was just like basic work, yeah, dealing with your influencers every day, and yeah,
Mhm.
what's trending, you know.
yeah
Do you have something for us?
Yeah,
She has to.
yeah. So there's like Luyana. I don't know, guys, if you know. Is it Luyana? Yeah. So the girl who said like she's been bullied in the whole industry, and her manager or something told her if she could be, she either has to decide if she has
Wa
to
moko?
continue.
Yeah, I can hear her.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
She either has to decide to continue acting or if she wanna be an activist. So apparently she has been like an activist from a while ago. I think that's why she got out from that. Do you guys know Rihanna? First of all?
The ducky.
Yes,
Yeah.
this,
Yeah, the
light-skinned
influencer.
woman,
Uh-huh.
the
Yeah.
influencer.
Yeah, I know her.
Yeah, so you know she was on what's the show? On Just TV. Spongile and
Spongile and the
The-
Kaminis.
the
Spongile and
Tamil-
Big
Like
Lan-
a
uh-huh.
mix.
and she was Spongile. Yeah, so she was like an activist from there. Then that's how she got out, apparently. So now I think she was like threatened. I don't know if it was by the same production or what.
So yeah, le nna be ke nyaka go botsa gore then ora re ntabolelang ka yona re she was bullied and blah blah. Is she talking about on the Spongile and the
No,
Kamins
I
or
think she's talking about a different production.
production?
though. Yeah. Because
Ah.
herself, she's just been like an activist. Maybe she's not like she's just been like standing up for her rights, and they haven't, haven't been taking that okay. Have you heard about it?
Cause o ngwadile kwa gore they are undermining us, and then when we are fighting for our rights, hey, they promise that ukuthi you won't get anywhere with it, and then o ka se fail ka bophelo ba baeti.
Yeah. They
Which
might
is
even
true.
cancel you.
Eh,
Which
that's
is
what
true.
they
They
are telling her.
threaten her that they might even cancel her in the whole industry if she doesn't
Oh.
cooperate.
So in South Africa we have Ooh,
That's what I said.
am I about to
last week.
say that? Am I about to mention their names?
Ngiyakhumbula ningiphikisa nina ngithi yenzeka ukuthi bacancel ku-acting naye.
No, you know, now that, listen, now that she is saying, they even told her that you're not gonna go anywhere. Now it's taking
Like,
us, like, I
we
want
can
to
even
canceling.
cancel you.
You are saying
We
that
can
one
even
it's better.
cancel you.
But now they're killing you, but you are breathing. Like we do have boo in South Africa as well, guys. Those people, I don't want to mention that, but I don't even think that I'm not a bigger. So we do have boo Oprah, Winfrey Oprah, and we do have them in South Africa as well.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Who are
So, like,
they?
people that have power up there.
But Oprah.
Oh, yeah.
I remember growing up, my
Yeah,
aunt wanted
yeah.
us to go to opera school. My aunt, Didi, Arvona. She always wanted my little sister, the one who comes after me, like she always wanted her to go to opera and tonton schools. But things that those girls are saying, things that
About
those
the
girls
school, about opera.
are exposing about the schools, things that were happening in that school,
Yeah.
and things that opera, allegedly she was doing to them.
I also know someone who went to David Ginaro's school. Lena Nele Ngwanyane, and then she came back, Arion, to say, I can't cope.
Why? What was going on?
What are these
going
people
Yeah.
doing to the kids?
So
What
mina
is going on?
like I'm actually confused. Like who abused how?
Not to, we are just like you, not we are confused.
Like,
Maskanja. We
guys,
don't know what we
verbal
abuse the how.
abuse, it's
But
a thing.
abuser,
You understand? There's like a verbal abuse. It's like an abuse where you can do. This person is like mistreating me, maybe like overworking you, or
It's
just
not
like
good.
making you do things that you're not even
you're not even
supposed
supposed to do it
That's,
work.
that's abuse.
Even not at work, we're talking
Yeah.
about kids now. Imagine at school, you know that thing that they say you are asleep, jiggy jiggy, you see the. Apparently, it was a girls' school, innit? It was a
Yes,
girls' school,
yes,
but
yes.
So teachers there are the what
Males.
males.
The teachers were male.
They-
Yeah, 'cause
they
there were, like,
were.
rape cases of
Hey,
that
they
school,
were,
and-
I
'cause
want a
they-
problem
they-
ke yona
Yes.
eo,
because they
problem
had
ke yona
they have
eo.
getting the rape
But
cases.
no, it's not. That's not the problem. Because also with this girl with this Luyanda, the same problem. The same person who's like abusing her. It's a female.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
and
what I
she
wanted
says
to
it's
say. Because
like
now you mentioned
she's-
Oprah, we
yeah,
stayed away from
we
many.
It's not like they're still female, and then she says she's like a female activist on her Instagram. She's like posting about women empowerment and things like that. But deep down, she's not like bullying people at work. That's not appropriate.
And that's what females do. I believe the moment that they have that thing, how you are a leader, the moment they have this title, they're given a title. Yabo? They mistreated. They make you feel. I remember I once had this crazy
And a lot of them.
leader, and she was I walk like a lady.
Wow.
You can't tell a woman to walk like a lady. I didn't
So
choose
what
to
the-
walk how I walk. And no one, the person who's telling you to walk like a lady, modi edi blom van sia on the mere. Edi tite van so Yes, cause you can't say a person should walk like a lady, whereas you
Don't look like a lady.
And you don't-
Sorry, I said
Sure.
that.
and you
Sorry, I
walk
said that.
and you walk like an animal. You walk like an animal.
Yeah.
Arabaka wanna walk like a lady.
Like
You look like a frog.
yeah, when you
Women who
walk
have frog bodies out there,
like
and,
and it's fine because some of us will some of us will look like the frog what we embrace our bodies we fine, but you cannot be looking like that and walking like one takara and telling me a person who just walk like this talk like a lady when I go tsamaya le lengwe le tonkile pere lena a le go tsentšha magodimo.
I always say, anything more for women is another woman.
Yes, yes.
Why is it like that?
You as a guy, you will see me walking there with my shopper, walking like a woman that I am. I don't want to say I think I am.
Constantly so.
You get my point,
And then
and you
you
will
come
hire me.
approach
And then there was this person
It's a woman.
who's a woman, and then you remember when you don't even walk. Remember, she was like this. So at the back, obviously, lerao le lengwe le so, le lengwe le so.
Oh
Wa
my
bona
God.
re pile yena sa thaka thaka nto mo thaka thaka lo ari le lengwe le fase le lengwe le ori right. Wa ikushwa already. A tsela go tla ka magetla. Ke sa le go motitsing.
Okay.
Ke tota ko mahetleng. Then the audacity for you to tell me to walk like a lady.
Magetla tlhakane.
We toilet we tathapi.
Ay, into njani?
Shanu ndizela ndisithulele.
Hayi.
Ngwanze ndinge big fall. Skantela ka big fall. I will take you to balconies.
Yes.
hayi
yes.
yona kuyikhatha kusendele yona uyiposta ayibone ngayona.
I think blockile. One thing about me is they don't keep me for long. They block me.
No.
They block me. Block. Can't you wait block? They block me. But one thing I love about them is they block me and then they have their sources who make it happen that they see whatever that is happening. Like this person who I had this other one at the mall.
It just happens like that. I'll block and then
Yeah.
thinking when I to be look away.
Oh,
And
She's
then, oh,
well
shit, I'm
updated.
around.
let me tell you something.
Well
That person is your
updated about
diary.
Everything.
You know your diary, that pen and the book that you write, the one that you say you forget the work.
Oh my
That's
God.
that person. You are like you forgot that person now. I'm telling you, they know every little thing about you.
Yo.
That person will even call you, the very same person who blocked you, and be like, yeah, you
I
enjoy
know when
it.
Russell-
Joang, wait.
Nice life.
You didn't experience that? You're still young, or you still going there? You there yet?
I'm still young.
You're still young.
Yeah,
You
still
like
going
it. Don't go there.
Yeah,
I don't
sorry.
wish to go there. No.
Saya.
No,
Akunamuntu
don't go
onganama
there.
ini.
Have you ever went there before?
No, mara amfonela bampotsa ore awa. Hayi.
Did you see his face? Did you see his face?
You can't go for that.
What?
For that.
Yeah. You know, that's
damn.
not you.
God damn.
It is like that, guys. People who are killing us, it's us.
That's just
But I
stupid.
don't.
Women to women, men to men. Senkula babona bana bamazulu babetha muthu ko taxi. Unimshayelani? Angeke athi ngci.
Atsori
I
mazila.
got to say scheme. Yeah.
Nimshayelani?
Hey, amazila njalo.
Kwangibuka, ngithi ngibukelani? Uthi ngibuka kuqala wena ngibuka ngilandela. What?
Hamburger.
Yangibuka.
Yeah.
And kiri men. Babetha men.
So umshayela romubuka.
Yangibuka,
Njalo
ngiyabuka.
ngibukani bafu.
Ungibukani baba? Yeah?
Ngibukela.
Ngibuka.
Bakashaya wena loyana uyangena bakushaya
Hey.
lezi zithuma zihamba zithi hayi nasimshayile maqeda konje babuzana konje besimshayelana.
And kenzeka lento le khona la eKasi la.
Bashaya bani?
Hayi
Inhlaka
bebafuna
yini?
ukumshaya serious. Inkinga ngimbiza igama lakhe.
Oh, Lord.
Ukhuluma ngale kasi lami.
Umzulu.
Eh?
Bizongosifiso.
No, no, uthawu mazi ukuthi
Okay, yeah.
Aw, Mara. It's so bad to be
God.
But you guys can relate now, and the moment that I start laughing, I will feel like in a bedri. I'm
as-
hotspotting. And I can go
Like-
I can charisma carmona do amo. Hotspot no guys return chain udile.
inkinga umuntu wakhona ngeke simbize
Ngari
igama
kutsuri.
lakhona yabo. Just ukuthi like sahlangana naye estradini adakiwe yabona. Nalamazulu la onikhuluma ngawo andlula. Umalume wakhe actually.
Yeah.
Ngithola beka ababhekile. Mama andlula lamazulu ambuza ukuthi ungibukeni bafu. Emtha manje akakhona ukuphendula udakiwe akakhona ukuphendula ukuthi sebafuna ukumjikela manje
Yeah.
bafuna
Bafuna
ukumshaya.
ukumshaya.
Yeah, ungibukeni bafu. Luckily kanti eTavern yabona ngithi kunabangani.
Bamuti bora.
Bamlamulela nkosi.
Kumele bamshaya.
They know him urki edi blonde fundimie. Oh
Kumele
Lord.
bamshaya.
And about my papa, it's not a lie.
Abatshela ukuthi uyaphi.
It's not an about my papa. So, but guys, I don't know about did you hear? Happy Ghost, did you hear about this new? I don't know if already they're still implying it. I don't know if it's something that will be active, because you know in South Africa they talk, but less actions.
Okay, okay.
This guy that we tend to worship for now. He said something at the parliament. Remember, he was talking. He had his time to say something. They always have time to say something, and everything that they're saying, it doesn't make sense. But this guy, corners,
Mr. Mkhwanazi.
corner.
Yeah.
Wara. Wena wara.
Yeah, yena usanzirve na president. This thing bamutse.
Our king.
Wara. Wena ye. Oh, okay, sharp. So this,
Our leader.
yeah, Mkhwanazi, he's very good. I just wish that everyone had his energy, his mindset. What is it again? What is it that he has? No, he's brave as well. Hey, he's brave. Where does he stay? Do you guys know where he stays?
We all don't know where he stays.
I think he
Those
doesn't even
people
know
in
where
the
he
parliament.
stays.
Yeah, even
He's so
now he
brave,
doesn't know ukuthi uhlalaphi.
I'm telling you, cause how are you still here? Hemi,
Yeah,
how are you so breathing?
ne balona ba tshwana le bomkhwanazi just ba wipile out. So yena ubile that fortunate or is so protected or I don't know how he's doing it.
But he's doing good. He's
Yeah.
doing very good. Like now, the fact that he's doing he's introducing something that is so nice. I have never been arrested before, ne? But I think everyone who's getting in that place, the place that we thought it's a hell place, the place that we thought everyone is getting there, yeah, they're going to learn a lesson. Everything that they did, they will. Everyone now is saying, "Ngingabulela abantu bangibophe."
Yeah.
enjoy.
Ngiyakutshela enjoy man.
Kwala ka upantitela.
Yeah, ta kuvuje, ta uhlaba kanye joka yini kavua.
Kaya ka buawara.
It's
Have you
true.
heard
Mara
that,
ta tlhaba marago.
some hobos, some people that are like homeless, ne?
Mhm.
Whenever it's winter, they just like commit a crime so that they can go to prison and then they can get like a warm place. a
Oh
warm
yeah, I
room,
once heard that.
and, like a safer
Exact.
place to sleep.
I once heard that.
Nto e bolelang ke lebetse gore ba mmiditse ka mang ko GP podcast.
Yeah.
Same guy le ena ba rutsile ko jele ka parole. You understand? A itse ko jele, he was happy and then a fika ka mo nke he had nowhere to go. And then no santse re be hova ba hovo for 1 week a bona run to imperekele ka mene ka mo ene mothola ka kwa jele ke wolo re ko mo lo tshore nombolo a le ka kwa wa tipsina mara wa bona re ka mo ke phela masepa bona re ngono go utswa something and then ke boele back to jail.
And he
So
did
lena
that.
dira sa commit
Crime?
ba re ke commit a crime and then went back to jail.
He got like a home just like that.
So wa bona ba thola ba
So,
feel
like, it
at
doesn't
home
really
ka kwa.
lie. Some people are just
No.
like at home there.
Yeah.
No, not anymore. Someone came.
Tell me about
Oh,
it.
New club. Nobody was
Yeah.
expecting it. He just came like you came in like a rocket boat.
Yeah.
Everyone who's in there must work for every scene that they are getting.
Exactly.
And I was like, eh?
Must work for everything
Every
that they are
scene.
getting. But
Every
it didn't work.
scene.
Wa o santse re ko budget re no bel budget re rekele batho ba leng ko prison dijo. Why?
Exactly. That was my problem.
Like-
So it started being a problem with the whole Thabo Besta situation.
Exactly.
Because I'm like, why are they private prisons, and why are you telling me our taxes are going to like private prisons?
Imagine.
Guys, South Africa is South African
Nice,
law.
expensive
It's
prisons.
very, very
And like,
crazy,
what's
and
going on?
they are not even willing to change every day. Whoever that is new all the time, by implement something that is very, very dumb. Because I don't understand why they can cancel other things, but this lawyer Bonai, maybe it's because they're working with these people, guys.
Exactly.
Maybe it's because they're working with these
Because of these
people.
tenders, someone who wants
Yes,
to feel what
yes,
tender
yes.
will get this much. I feel what tender
Yes,
dijo will
yes,
get
yes,
this
yes,
much.
yes,
Exactly.
yes.
Maybe it's because of them.
Uh.
But now, cause them konza. Mkona corner.
Mkona's
For now, he's still eating. Indoda ehamba uyodwa.
Yeah.
He's in control.
Indoda engancengi.
Hey, wait.
Indoda engaboyiki.
Yeah.
Indoda engasabi mntu.
Khona wait tseba video o na le video ngwe ya ko ke bona ko TikTok mara ke a gale. Like ko Zulu Natal tsona taxi driver ne di lwa le mkhwanazi le maphodisa so mkhwanazi abalata straight are phela if nifuna imbe phakathi kwethu amaphoyisa nama taxi driver nisitshele ngibona ama taxi driver athi hayi asifuni imbe baba ke
And one thing I love is that he is
Ow.
Zulu. And
You know,
true. One thing I love is the fact that little time, okay, fine, let me finish this one before I go to that one. Oh, Mkonazi, why are you
Okay.
doing this to me?
Yay.
Malumi.
how about Mkona's? How about Mkona's?
So he said now, everyone who's arrested, people who are in jail, ngisho abalumbelu.
Yeah.
I get they get you arrested. Ngikho bona shoma para 13 to 14. So, Mahabuya, South African prisons is like that. You're like you go there,
Like this, you come back alone.
you come
Yeah.
back, Kirina, so you are one person. Our prison is like that. They go there so dark like him. They like you when you are arrested in South Africa,
Yeah.
you get excited to happen that you're gonna reach your goal. Wherever you want to go, you get there. If you want to go to everywhere, if you want to be an artist, get arrested. The Toro
Remember there
Jaudia.
was a guy even trending about it. I saw a phone at prison saying, if you think we are suffering, we
So and they're not because they go live with us. We play matches with them. People are gifting them the lions and what, and then you ask yourself, why skipper kanjani leza mali? So Mkhwanazi uri no linyile nto weki drongo la kwa bolena.
Yeah.
I sale ndo ralukela. Le madebere le do bona o gaga ni bale bari before graduate, before you eat,
Yeah.
before you get anything to eat, before you go,
Good idea.
there's a garden.
Yeah.
Some other
That
things.
is not enough.
No, he was just giving examples of activities that these people
He
must
even
do
give example
before
of
they
a furniture saying
I was about to
why
say-
do we have to buy furniture from those
Aba
stores
didi.
while they can build their furniture from
And
He
so
said
if you buy
that.
finishes for them.
Yes.
Make their own
Exactly.
He said it. So in a
Those people are
sense,
creative. Na ke tsaba mongwe na tshaba ko jela uthi create se khia ka di plastic ding. Ngibe ke peke now le podcast. So
they
those
can
people
do
are
it.
creative. So bona ba ka create man. Nana motho a itela khia ya tronko.
sooner or later they will create a key for the banks. For the banks.
Hey.
For the banks.
Tse ba di bulang
bank-
mola, ne?
Yeah, imagine if
Ke
now
di-ATMs.
there not ATMs. When no. Ke bolela ka monyako o mogolo wa Capitec.
Yo!
So what do you mean? What does that
Dawson.
mean? What does that mean? What do you mean?
I mean, they need to make it a point that now,
Mara,
also, now we are no longer opening those doors with the fucking key.
Mara, that one
Because now you just
Capitec
say
wa
you made
Rodira.
a key.
Cause
No.
no one
Like,
deposit
go back-
that.
you know
Remember,
that
I said
Capitec
deposit
doesn't
that
even have a lot of cash.
If
le teng motho
Ka
o
mo
tla
hare
tla
di-
bang a
there's no
create
cash ka mo hare.
o tla ba
Go to
a
the bank.
sebetsitseng mole maybe for years and years.
So if Capitec doesn't even have anything in their banks, where is our
O sa
money?
tsebe ka
Because
ko
every time we
ATM.
always
Or
charge our
using,
money.
like smart. It's an what is it called? Something like everything. Is
So, but
like,
no, I'm asking these silly questions because I'm so mad at Capitec to open that I don't
Why
understand.
do they not have a? That's why you never hear a lot about like South Africans robbing banks and
banks,
stuff.
yeah.
No, I'm not mad
They
about
used to
them.
happen
No,
a lot ko khale because of
Yes.
le deposit ka mara bank.
no, I'm not
because
mad
of
about.
di ko ntle and then
Listen,
we do it via phone.
I'm not mad about them not having the cash. Like I'm just asking this now silly fucking crazy questions because it's Capitec that now you see people taking their grandmothers who are dead. Bayabandlulisa eCapitec. Ngathi umuntu ubhubhele apho. You know those old things really accident and then they said we need to pass this tattoo moya wakhe.
That's kahle.
So Capitec, we are giving you our money. Gosh, every month we are taking our money. Then when we want our money, we need to bring a casket, or maybe a casket, or maybe that lady was being dramatic like me. I don't know. Was she being dramatic?
Khuluma ngale i-video I think ne.
Oh,
Nalo
sorry,
mama
Lady
lo
Nep.
bekahlanya.
Guys.
Capitec bekahlanyela umuntu but le mama lo yami mina bathe musimali yakhe what is processing why yena bekahlanyela leyo umuntu leya. I are we talking about the same video?
You were talking about
I don't know,
the
guys, what
grandmother.
happened?
Okay, there's a grandmother
Yes.
who came, who said, I was here last week. I told you guys that I'm receiving this amount of money, which is she mentioned, and it's a crash. It's a lot. And you guys said it's fine. You are processing my what I don't know what
And
is
then
it.
it's gonna take 2 weeks.
Yes. But now it's been overdue, and then she's waiting for her money. You know one thing I hate about Capitec,
Yeah,
it's when they're keeping our money for us, it's fine. But now when we want our money, we need to again obey and they obey and they obey and they obey. Man, we have plans. We have yes, like okay. So that was the issue that what happened with my grandmother, the Gogone, and then this one, it's a woman who came with this Dumsong,
The coffin.
a coffin. She came with
Or
a
a-
coffin, a whole coffin,
A coffin with the cops inside.
a coffin, a whole
Yeah.
coffin with the owner of a coffin inside.
Oh my God.
Yo,
Baru kira lepokisi le monga lepokisi ka.
yes,
Bash.
yeah, and then.
Bardinta.
Leba musha re ngwa gona, obviously.
Eh.
You know that I remember when you say I'm saying obviously when I die I need to pass by my home. Please, I love my bed. I need to pass there. And then leba never before samba, let us go to picture class, please, for example.
Oh yeah.
E.g. Lina. Hey, let us go to picture class, please, by 5.
Okay.
Ke mone ke dula. Amakala short rides. Mama ngathi singene mo no sa double up. Left at
Imagine.
up. Difikile.
I'm here.
No, mama, no, ke tla 5 hours South Africa ke tla. No, it's fine. I'll give it 500. Those guys. Wamkhupha. Out.
Sure.
I feel like Capitec. You see him? Oh, hey. They give me my money now. Good, you know.
So ora na claim the insurance and then they didn't assist her.
And you know, with Capitec, there are a lot of things that is happening. You know, no la go TikTok kwa ureksha miriri. I get to Capitec. Like yo, Capitec we are sense. And mhlasan sizo banale ya energy apartheid. Mhlang re tlo ba le energy la bu freedom ya bu somisi ko Sarafina. Ya bu somisi ko Sarafina. You guys will hate us.
Come on,
But
2000.
Capitec has
Hey,
ghosted me
but I
so
remember
many
Tweka.
times.
Ne?
Capitec has ghosted me so many times. And this one time I went to a restaurant, me spend my money there,
Keep
nice,
it.
ordering
Mhm.
food, living my nice life. When it's time to pay, the app is not working.
It does that.
The app it's not working,
it
and then
needs
I have
face
to like
what.
transfer money. It doesn't have network. Nothing is working. Dog, but they're telling me to dial. When I dial, it's not working. There's nothing at this point. Like I have to pay, and it's closing. Like we are the last customers there.
And you look so as hot as she looks, pretty as you are,
Thank
at the
you.
back, and also
Thank
obviously
you.
you never wearing anything. So at the back of their minds, they're like,
Uyathengisa lo.
Yeah, one of those. This is
Like,
what you do. This
What do
is
you
your
mean
everyday
you do
life.
this? Like,
How
are
did you
using-
escape that?
No, I
Yeah.
had to call in favors. I had to call
You know
in
what
favors.
she's
And like,
Yo.
Call in favors. Like now it's
like now it's like calling people like saying
she's
this is
irritating
my name.
us.
If akafonanga akatholanga ifavor leyo maybe bekuenda lapha washizitsha or somewhere
But
I
else.
don't know. These days they don't do
Cause
that.
these
Guys,
days abanye
don't
babafaka
Take it to the police
amabhodlela
station.
guys
so-
don't go around eating people's food and thinking that you're gonna wash dishes.
Nah.
Ain't got time to wash
But-
dishes
nah, they
anymore.
just call cops on you.
Bitch,
dog.
you're gonna get arrested.
lena ubonile ukuthi bayenzeni bathi
Some
ukuphi
fingerprint.
leya
Don't they'll take your
Good.
fingerprint.
ithaveni esepitori na laba
Oh
bathu
yeah, the one that tried it. Yeah, I see it.
yabona
Ooh, they were
these days
abusing
abasawashi
them.
izitsha
They were putting them in the freezer.
The freezer.
Ooh, what people do, what?
abalaba bathotsharile
Why?
shamafaka boxolo kara muteti
For what?
Yo.
What did they do?
but one really more than I think 27,000
Okay.
they didn't have money to pay
And then they didn't have money to pay.
What happened to the money?
Yes.
I don't know
Ah,
why they
not
didn't have
Levitt.
money to pay. I don't know what happened, but they didn't know. What was the name of the club again?
But why were
I also forgot the
they
name of
fucking
the
them
club.
with
It's
the
the huge
bottles?
club.
Hey.
Why were they doing that?
like,
I don't
like,
know.
There was club in Pretoria.
Uh.
So what happened was like,
Yo,
Pitori
Lile Kabali
Mahlanyeng.
headache.
Pretoria Mahlanyeng is literally famously known for like wrong things that happen.
Yo.
So there was like, if you'd like had a bill and you couldn't pay for it, they just take you to the freezer. They make you do like weird things. They were like men
Bazenza
in there
unkunzi.
touching their private parts. No,
Yeah.
each other's private parts. We were like, shake it. Now you have to shake another man's private part. And
Imagine.
then like Nyatugisela and a dog. It was like that tactic. It was very.
Eh,
So
eh,
it means like ama-security lapha they were gays
I don't know.
akuna kuthi sibale mina ngiyindoda khona manje ngibamba igebengu ne ngithi khizanani kwamadoda ngifuna ukufilani mina mangibabona
Yeah, that's
Mhlambe
disgusting.
nuthi ufuna
But-
ukuba
Maybe besides that, we do have other. I don't think these days we still have gays. Babalo, no. I said about gay guys. No, there's something wrong. Cause listen, the reason why I'm saying I said about gay. No, the reason why I'm saying I said about gay. So Emma Dick Freezer, and what does that have to do with Lady Gay?
Like, why are we even in the freezer?
no
Why
it's because
even in
siyayibona
the
sifuna
freezer?
leyo kubamba ama
That's the no. Ke motho wa pelo mpore ke nyako lyncha masepa tsa keng.
ka o sera private
Now,
wire,
now,
sa
I
lori
would,
kaba.
now would
Torture.
do that. Now would do
Torture.
that. Like people that, if they are now,
Torture.
I would tell you the bitch that I hate right now with them, with the other bitch. I'll tell them, I'm saying, then fella for that day. Now would do that. I would. Thank you. So they were doing that. Libona to despite them. I can remember now. You
Yeah.
wasted our time.
Yeah, you wasted our time.
Yeah.
You
So
wasted
just
our
sis,
program.
Libona. They did that for sis.
Yeah.
It was nothing hectic or anything that has feeling. Now would do you to do
Yeah.
that. Yeah, you will suck
No,
his
And
but
then
like,
you
it was
look at
actually
us
I'm like,
it was
yeah,
actually
get clever.
hectic.
angithi bayazi ukuthi mhlambe like wena as i-out isithunzi sakho sowa so that's why mhlambe bakenzisa le
yeah. Hence, I'm saying, I don't think it has nothing to do with them being what.
mara siwa kanjani cause obvious le video le mayiphuma lapha ngizonitshela nani nibonile ukuthi I was forced
Mara okusalayo. We don't
Yeah,
care.
so
We
wena
don't care about you
ngokwakho, angithi
explaining.
sewuyozinyanya or
Exactly.
something.
Imagine ubona
Oh,
takataka
ngeke.
and shemisa gcoba.
Slow
Oh,
motion,
ho
Okusala uyenza.
ho mkhaditswal.
Kanti unje.
Ho kanti uso.
mara leyo kuba eish,
Iho.
mara leyo kubafaka efrijini yona bazenza unkunzi ayi-wrong shem
i-wrong
Yeah,
man
wrong.
ayi-wrong
i-wrong
ifreezer
mara
bro.
ukuthi ba- 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 ba-
ifreezer
ba- 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 ba-
ayingcono police
Freezer,
station
you're
ifreezer
trying.
mfethu
Freezer.
So is the pub still open? Is the pub still
Aye,
operating? What's happening with the pub?
It's
It's
still, you know
it's still
what?
operating.
That pub ne
Yeah.
has a lot of drama.
Yeah,
so
nale
like
drama
that
tse
drama
ngata
before,
pub.
Hence, I wanna
like
the owner of the pub.
human
konje ba re ke
trafficking.
eng man phapela na yo
They had like dramas with like
we.
human trafficking before, and then like they like rebranded it. They called it whatever name it is.
But
I
it's still the
forgot.
very same shit,
It's still
right?
the very same
Yeah.
shit name. Now after this drama, it was closed, but I'm sure it's open and like they rebranded it again,
Ne.
so it's still operating.
And after some 2 seconds again, there's something that is going to trend, and then they will close it again.
Yeah.
And then sooner or
It's
later,
like a lot
there's
of
going to
people
be
were
this.
taking drugs.
Yes.
It was like
Yeah.
a lot of clubs vele
Yeah.
And sooner or later, there will be a
Lot of-
prophet
Like one of the
who will
best
say,
clubs ever.
Celebrities.
If you go there, you have the nicest time ever. You don't wanna go home. Trust me.
hence I'm saying, there's some, now they will come, the sangomas and the prophet will say, yeah,
have you been there
who?
happy coast
Happy Ghost. Happy Ghost, have you been there? Oh my God, have you been there? Have you been there?
It's in Pretoria, guys. You know, I was in Pretoria. I was with the Pretoria girl, so.
Have you been
something
there?
like that.
No,
Okay.
it's so simple. Have you been there?
Yes.
Did you pay your bill?
Of course I did.
Oh.
Like if
no.
you're just like a general person doing your general clubbing, it's no problem. But like, you know, like some people get into like some dipshit there when you like meet people taking drugs. When you just meet people taking drugs in the bathroom, you just mind your business. I can want you just they doing.
So
Your
imagine
bathroom.
if your card is a kwa.
If what?
The incident that happened to go ring app is a
Dog,
Imagine
dog, if the Capitec incident happened in that club, I was dead. I was dead. Because they're also like selling girls there. Like if you can pay your bill, there's like an old man there. who's-
Imagine.
bathengisa nabantu.
Hey, I'm a
Like,
club
tell him
summoning.
He's been watching you, that man, so you can pay your bill. Go to him, he's gonna settle it. And the man's gonna pay that bill, but you're gonna have to live with him.
Bungekho nami la kanti same day ulusha
Oh my
sitshela
God.
abathaqishe babathengisa eclubini.
Yeah, they do that. That was like that, like the whole human trafficking thing. is
but
happening.
le bekungasithi lapha ngithi bekuye
I-hotel or i-BNB I
Yoko,
think.
guy.
Uthe ekuphi Joburg?
ayi ngikhohliwe.
Oh, you guys, Mara.
Yeah,
Ngikhohliwe
it's
nami.
This is so bad.
So like, what happens with the prison law Mkonas was doing?
Oh, back to Mkhwanazi.
Yes.
Yeah,
back to
back
Mkhwanazi.
to
I'm so scared now. Like
Because-
I'm a mother and I have a beautiful daughter, and I'm like, oh my child, this world is changing now. That I'm, oh no, give me call, man. I'm like, yeah.
So what kind of jobs do you think they're gonna provide for those prisoners?
He
At
said
first they
something
were
about
doing toilet paper. It was done at prison. King Yengwe, it was done in prison.
I was
you know.
about, he mentioned some activities.
Kengel.
Yeah,
Kengels, it was done in prison.
Candles.
Mm.
Okay.
good activities that they were once done in prison. How prison was, how prison used to be, things that you used to do. Go to prisons, all the prisons. Now in South Africa, I wish the activity
So
be
are they
active.
going to like
And
buy
become-
products and then give them to like manufacture them and then they're gonna sell them?
That's what they have to
It's
do.
like
What's
free
already
labor.
wrong?
Yeah,
It's not a free
yo.
labor.
It's
You
not
work
free
for your
labor
money.
because,
Go jail. That's
working
I
for
wish
their
the movies
money.
go to jail. Ne?
Yeah.
Go jail if you don't have visitors. You have to work for your money. Go kana kola khale. Es Sylvester shone ba ba isa go di garden tsa maburu ba fika ba bereka and then we're gonna have to get something else. Ka tsara ba ibitsang ke yone go kgona
How
go
much
reka
is
dijo ka
it?
Yeah,
yone.
they also have to pay tax and everything like
Yeah, I was
that.
about to say
So
that. So
I-
if they are
I
waiting for the
think
money, they
the
also have to
tax,
pay. Yeah, for real, if they're for the money.
Ah guys, what tax level go jail?
Yes, I get they're working for the money. Hey, when coming to tax
I mean,
Baba
they've been
Sonke,
eating our tax money.
and they come back home, they see that there is no money to buy bread. They go to Mkula, and then they do what they're good
Imagine
at.
these
And
people like,
hey,
get like
hey,
free showers.
free everything, hot water.
Free water, free sleep.
They
everything
come
is
back
free.
glowing.
O santse ba patele rent ka kwa jail o thoma no.
Yeah, and I think
Yeah,
we,
because like they put themselves there.
Eh.
Now we have to take them.
Oh.
take
Like
them.
seriously.
No.
Ah man, no, enough is enough. Your responsibility.
and I think
your
ukuthi-
shit, your responsibility.
and I think ukuthi kwamele babatholele nama qualification ukuthi noma baphumile nasejele bakhona ukuthi bazincede basebenze.
They
Yeah,
wasted
that's what
No.
they wasted their
That's
time
it,
already. It's not our
don't
fault
put
for
it
them
like
to go
that,
there.
in
Now I
Ghana,
feel like
like-
now they'll all go there because they want free education.
No, they've been doing it. They've been studying from like prison. They were
My mother can't pay for
There are
this.
people who are
My mother
from
can't pay for
prison
this. It's in
who have
Dambi.
certificates. Ne, they do bafike prison bakhona amakhosi abakofara wona. Mina kunenye esekhaya bese president he was doing teacher ngada ukuba teacher namanje is still continuing. So inkinga ukuthi eSouth Africa they wanna hire you as long as bathi do you have a criminal record uthi yes ngeke bakucashe. So
They
bona into kumele
do.
bayenze ukucreatela for labantu laba into ukuthi maphuma ngaphandle uzoyenza ispan sabo exactly igarden then it means labantu abasebenza igarden i-qualification ayisafuni matric i-qualification igarden manje yini i-criminal record uyangithola kumele ibe kanjani kumele ibe kanjani uyangithola
Ukenza igarden
Can't
hambe
imagine.
prison.
so nakhona kwa-avoid ukuthini ma uphuma uyazi ukuthi nangu umsebenzi ngiyathola 3.5 and le
so they
ngiyakwazi
actually have
ukuphila
to be their farmers. You understand?
exactly they should be
Yeah.
ama-farmers amayini because
Like,
manje
the farmers
bayaphuma
just to do one garden. Like, a lot of them, they should just
If
be
we want to
farmers.
be a farmer, go to the prison. Simple.
You heard, guys? He's just said it. Like, yeah.
abantu abachenela la estratini la abantu kumele babuye prison ngithola umuntu
yeah.
kumele achanyele estradini emamolo yini labantu le qualification leya kumele ube ne-criminal record in order to do it.
Sure.
You keep her busy because let's say mina I'm a criminal into Sylvester bakasayikhalela ama-criminal niyangibopha manje ningisa kuphi ejele nithi niyang-really play bathini really
You wanna say it?
Isilungu
You
sethu
wanna
si-
agree?
Okay.
You chose to take that path.
correctional service le niyang-correct
Catch it.
and
Sure.
then
Better.
mangibuya la okay right angisase-criminal kodwa-ke ngihleli phansi anginakudla angina-next nithi ngenzeni
Yeah.
Ubani?
yabo ukuthi
Who are
obviously
you
ngibuyela
asking?
back to ubucriminal
Who are you
ngiyotshintsha
asking?
ukuze ngibe nemali
Who are you asking? Who are you asking?
ngiyazama
Uzamela
uyaqhubeka
bani?
ngiyazama ngifuna umsebenzi
What was the
Hleli
reason?
la
What
ngaphandle
took you
angithola
there?
umsebenzi,
What
angenzi
did you do
next.
for you to be
Uthi
there?
ngicabanga
Who
ukuthi
wasted
ngenzeni?
your time? You didn't think.
Yes,
You
I
will
also-
suffer your own
Bona
consequences.
lentshwera ke
Already unale lucky libile ba o rutile dilo.
exactly
Yes.
wanrutile then akitswa ka mundeni
Andingeni ndawo,
matsogo
tata.
ngamanga
But still it like continue. Okay, awungeni ndawo re understand, but still it like continue ka crime.
Ka crime,
Awuyakuthi-
still.
Lila ka crime.
Guys,
Like
but
a crime,
now-
into ngisho it gonna reduce
Guys,
crime.
no, if you
Ngeke
want
satshontshwa.
growth, no, if you want growth as a person, you don't need anyone to babysit you. You tell yourself, okay, fine, I am getting outside. If your family is opening doors for you, remember we don't know what is it that you committed. At this point, I feel like we are taking side for people who killed their own mothers, and then lena linyaka na re ba bulele meja.
Who-
But
job.
also you can
Aba
also
kwe.
get listen. You can also get a job like in different companies. Like some private companies don't even like search. You can get a job in like private companies.
Do that for yourself. Stop
with,
blaming us.
like,
Don't say
with,
ki.
with a criminal record. But you don't have to blame it to the government that now you have a criminal record and you can get a job.
So you are going to do
Guys,
what you
we're
used
not
to
blaming
do.
the
Or you
like
going-
one take bolelang or that's why go na le crime. Now we're not saying we're blaming the government. We're saying now the government can do something like this in order to reduce
Reduce
crime.
crime.
Because
Yes,
go be le crime
yes.
lang tshia lena le leng go correctional service long
Yes.
corrector yes. A le fika kwa le mpha maphepha ke a correctiwa ke ka monke. Ke nyakana le mebereko ke nyakana le mebereko ka kre mebereko ba mpotsa ka criminal record.
We've
Do you understand? Give me a chance
Yes.
to speak.
Yes.
Do
Oh
you
my
understand?
God.
Yes.
So if there was a organization or a program ya gore go itswa jail we give you this certain job and then after tsa mo wena if o kry-ile job engwe o ka kgona o tswela pele then a ke tswa jele go na le nto ke e dirang there's
Yeah.
something that keeps me busy
Yeah.
e šita le motho o tsuba le drugs
Yeah.
le a mo tseya le molele misa rehab ba bua ko rehab still if ha ona nto mo keepang busy o tlo boela tsuba di-drugs motho
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying.
Okay, but listen to me. There's like 100 billion of people that are unemployed, that have families to feed, and that have done nothing to the world. They
Thank
just deserve
you.
a job. There could be a problem creating jobs for them.
Thank
not for
you. At this
prisoners.
point, I don't want to think anything for prisoners. We're still suffering ourselves out here.
That's
So
hence
the only
hence crime
reason
because
for
we
you
like
to not
it.
get a decent job is because you have a criminal record. It's your fault.
It's your fault.
Some of the people who
Oh,
are
Lord.
in jail is not their fault.
Now you will take it there.
90% of yeah, it is their fault. 90% of the people who are in
You
jail,
should-
they're
you
not
can't say
it's not their
90.
fault.
But you can't say 90.
90 even 99% of the people who are in jail.
We still have people who are outside here
telling
who are
you.
supposed to be in jail. So, no.
That's why.
Hence, I'm saying you can't say 90. Everyone.
We have people who are,
Frank
who are,
and Mute,
who are in
Jalong
here, who
Bashot,
are
we-
supposed to be in jail.
Yes,
People
maybe
who
they
are
should
in
all go-
jail,
no, they
and
should
didn't
build
do
more-
anything. Who better not take it
I
well,
didn't say
uncle?
that. I didn't say that. What I'm saying is for them to create jobs for these prisoners, they rather build another huge motapi whereby now you go there, you die.
Then
There's
we're gonna
nothing
steal
for
it. We're
them.
gonna steal it. They're gonna
You
build
guys
another
deserve
huge
to
model.
be
We're gonna steal
there.
it. We have to
That's what I'm
put them in
choosing.
the
They rather
bucket
build
again.
it. They rather build it. Because now for you to say, what do you expect me to
But
do? We
creating
don't
jobs
owe you
for them is
anything.
Putting them on the budget again.
Again, we put
That's a-
No.
Rabanancha.
No.
Okay,
no.
guys.
We
Can
don't
I
be-
ask,
Yes.
what do you guys suggest to reduce crime? Like yini into like enicabanga ukuthi ngayenziwa ukuthi isi reduce crime?
I don't want to go to crime because at this point I think I'm focusing on the prisoners that you guys are saying. Pela, now when you're talking about crime,
It's
now
different
it's a
thing.
different thing. Now you
Pela,
are
no,
taking
we're
a
going to
different
crime.
lane.
Pela,
Because
we're
now
going to
I'm
crime.
fuming because
But
of
are you saying
prison and
creating
prisoners.
jobs-
It's gonna reduce
Are you
crime.
saying creating jobs for prisoners reduces
Thank
crime?
you. You're talking
Yes,
about
that's what I'm saying.
prisoners.
That's what we are saying.
So okay, batwarwe, liberating everything. Get them arrested. Teach them whatever that you guys are teaching them. Now that you are saying they're working hard for them, remember, prison doesn't have 199 length of garden. I get exactly. So teach them whatever that you teach them for free. And then when they come here, we need to make it a point that we supply them with so that we can keep them safe and we can minus what?
Yes.
they're still arrested, and we still have shov, no. Basa shov. Basa shov. And we are not living for prisoners.
Let's talk about like teaching them how to make that job. It's called labor. Who has to
Please keep it here. That's one that I need them.
So,
teach them?
the
Who has
jobs
to-
that I was talking about ke ntho tse leng hore ba ka ba di dira from prison.
Prison.
My
but
point.
What kind of jobs? You can't
What
do
kind of certificate are they giving them in prison if one puts what
That's-
kind of job? Hence I'm telling you, or my cousin did teaching, even now he's continue doing
Exactly.
teaching.
I'm saying in teaching you can get a job like that, but my problem is
She
that you
said
can't
that.
do gardening at a prison. You need to get a farm because they're like million
No,
prisoners.
listen. Ka nako ela ya kgale,
We're
prisoners.
talking about now.
They have to take that thing back. Prisoners were taken to farms to
Yes.
work. Even
Okay,
that,
now,
even
hear me
now they
out.
can do
I
that.
understand that you've said that, but now taking them to farms, which farms are they going to take them?
There are a lot
Because
of farms in South
our mothers
Africa.
are working there. Are you telling me what they're gonna take
They're
their mother's
gonna
job for
join them.
business?
No, they're gonna join them.
You
They're
can't
gonna.
join my mother
There
in
are
a
a lot of
prisoner.
there are a lot of jobs in farms. Pela, it's not like you fika kwa ke lema lo eno fika ono lema. There are a lot of jobs there in farms.
You can't take my mother. and
I'm
put
not
her in a-
taking your mother. I'm
telling you,
doing
but
my
I'm
jobs.
telling you that my mom is working at a farm right now. And you're not
Exactly.
telling
What
me
is-
that
what is she
you're going to
doing
bring
in a farm?
prisoner. She's a farmer.
What is she? What
The
she's
same
a farmer.
job
She's
you wanna
farming.
give to
What
them.
is
The
what is
prisoner.
what
What
is
if we can
what
agree,
is
mama,
it
ka
to me?
atumuzija
What is the
mraper?
prisoner that
Yeah.
is going to is going
I
to
have no
fix the
time to think for
tractors,
prisoners
the-
now,
the
guys.
water pumps.
We have brothers
She's
who
the
are
one that's fixing
city.
the tractor.
We are not even here.
She's a
My
farmer.
brother's fixing the tractor.
Never, don't tell me about a prisoner.
There's someone brother fixing it.
Yes.
There's someone
Brother.
appointed to that job. That's what I'm saying.
Who didn't do anything to anyone?
There's someone
Who didn't commit
appointed to that
anything?
job.
I don't want to think
There's
about
someone
prisoners. I'm
appointed to that job
sorry.
and who needs that job? Are
Thank
you
you.
You're going to take away that job and then give it to a prisoner
'Cause you want to
he has
keep-
wait
Because it
for
was given, it was taken from the prisoners from the start and
That's
given to
about
people. That's
today.
why.
We are talking about.
Hey,
Okay,
I can
okay.
we're talking about today. I can we have to take
Guys, please
jobs
tell
from
your
our
parents
brothers to
so
prisoners.
that you can go
Those
to
jobs were
prison.
taken from our prisoner to our
Yes.
brothers from the start.
Can I give you a scenario right now? You just got a job as an IT. Okay, not even
Ah,
an
no,
IT.
yeah, that's kind of more.
Let's
Yeah,
not go
yeah,
there.
yeah.
As a tractor fixer
Yeah.
at a farm. You've been working there for 6 months and you've been feeding your family very well. But now there's a project that prisoners have to work there and you don't have a job anymore.
It's fine. Because you know why? Even prisoners were taken out when those jobs were introduced to us. Do you understand? Those jobs at the farms were done by prisoners, as Mkwanazo was saying. So, our mothers and our brothers. Why are we taking from them? They were wrong, but one day they were taken from us.
I'm not even going to take that. Because now if you are saying people should do whatever, go
That's
to
not
prison
my
so that when you come back,
So
cancel a
prisoners
crime.
really treat us like strangers because of the work from
We
prison.
didn't say
They're still our
that.
brothers.
You are
They need
changing the
jobs.
words, and you know the fact that you are saying when they come back, we need to take.
Listen, yeah.
You
I
said
know
to
you're coming up with
us.
the solution there, but I'm saying, where are you going to put your solution into action? You can't just say things. Where are you and how are you going to put your solution into action?
Because already we have people who are not
Because now you're
working
saying it-
outside,
now
who
you have
didn't
to
do
put it
into
anything.
action.
Oh,
First of all,
prisoners.
they can put a rule that's saying if your company they should cancel their own criminal record, they don't hire you. They should should be
You can't
cancelled.
tell
They
me
should
that
cancel.
about my
I'm
own
telling
company.
you.
My own company.
Untlela ka melao.
Your own company
When
go
now
go country
you
maphela
are- you have
le
like-
canceling ka mo teng
Ah, this
wa-
one,
wa-
never.
wa-
We have like private
Never.
companies
We have
now.
private
Exactly.
So
companies.
if I start a company
Obey
now,
the
and then
rules.
I have to hire you, and when on a criminal record under theft, only accountant.
Listen, having a criminal record.
Make it
Now
make
I have to
sense.
hire
Pela,
you.
Pela,
It
because
doesn't make
having a
sense.
criminal,
Sir, it
having a
doesn't
criminal
make
record, it
sense.
means I went to
You know
jail
what?
and get rehabilitated and then came back. You understand?
No, sir.
No say.
We have people who are,
Rehabilitated.
Yes.
We have
I mean,
people-
What's the meaning of going to jail? I'm going to correctional service. They're going to correct me.
we have people
It's
who
a correctional service.
we have people who have once had working but I'm not working in a criminal record. We went there, taka your fingerprints, they were cleared. Let them wait for their time.
Sure.
Let them wait for their time.
You
We have
got
people who
yourself
waited for their
into
time.
this. Just
They go
wait
there,
for your
fingerprints, computer eating, cleared.
I so wish
You are
you
well
guys
well.
get
So
arrested.
let them wait for their time.
No, I
You
can't look
suffer.
forward.
What you did, you pay. You suffer for it. So please, next
So,
beg.
like, as much as you did,
Next beg. I don't wanna worry about the
do you think
prisoner.
it makes sense?
Clear your fingerprint.
Yes,
You
Mina,
walk.
I think it makes sense because it,
Clear your
it will
fingerprint.
reduce crime. Because what you guys stating, it's like you want prisoners ukuthi mabaye ejele bavele bafe laphaya
No.
or banga
No.
like
Okay.
They're arrested now, they still
in
crime.
Case of, let me tell you, in case of reducing crime, like I
Yeah.
said,
They still
there are people
crime
that
even
go
now.
to prison just to get
A
a
better
bed to sleep and food. And then
life.
now I can go to prison to get a job. What crime are we reducing?
Guys, because now we have people like, okay, sharp, ekaya manje. Like now you are a child who doesn't want to work. Your brother is busy and your sisters all the time they're trying to give you something. You are lazy as hell. All the time when you get work, you're stealing something at work. You're you are fired. And now obviously they will remind you every day. No one's gonna give you their bread. They tried pushing you, didn't pull up your socks. Then you are like, bangan's love.
So
And
you-
then you go to David, you go to prison. We ask with bazot number 6. Like lijabroto lako prison. No libile lo aga. Like they lidu otropo. Ah, litoro volaya lena. Know that now you are given chance to do other things. Yo, we don't die.
Working for their
you're going to
meals,
die.
and
Yeah.
they should work for their meals. But my problem is, where are they going to be located, and whose jobs are they going to take? Because there's millions of people. You are employed. Say, do you not need a job?
nah, I don't need a job.
Do you think anybody in Mokalfontein?
You no
Or anyone around you, because now, okay, fine, you didn't
many
get
people-
that.
yeah, many young
How
people
many
are
people would take a job just to make candles?
Eish.
How
What
many
if
people would take a job just to go gardening?
because what if they're going to make their candles and then in their own brand and then sell it to the retailers?
Exactly.
They are not taking someone's
Our
jobs.
brothers and sisters can still do that. You can still give a
Let them
our
work
brothers
hard for them to have those
the
the
facilities.
same job.
Let them work
Hey,
just to have those,
listen,
not
listen,
government to
what-
give them
what-
facilities.
You can
They are not
give
taking
to our
someone's
brothers.
job. They are doing o tshwana le nna nno ke di direla energy drink ke bitsa ayeye ke rekisa ko di wa understand le bona they can do the same thing ba dire the same
We
menches
have-
wa bona
I
Like
understand.
it's a prisoner menches
He's
and
taking-
then sell it to the retailer ro aro reka they can
Yes.
get their
Where are
commission.
they getting the whole equipment? And
That's my
and
question.
everything
Ah
else?
mo a ke tsebe de bona ke
From
Yeah.
the government. Listen.
If it's from
They're
government
getting
source,
everything from the government. Where are they getting those? My concern is, where are
So-
they getting all of those products? And
if they
everything?
get out,
Who's
they buy the
investing in
old
them? Who's
things.
investing
It's
in
fine.
their business?
o kry-a le gore as long as ke bolela ke re they are gonna sell to the retailers go na le motho le goreng o in charge for that project le goreng is an investor
Is it
Wa
investor?
tse- wa understand
Yes.
wa tseba
Why
gore
can't you invest to people who need jobs out there?
why can't you tell your president that and more like the prisoners tell your president to create people jobs for people. He said we are lazy, we don't looking for jobs. He said there are many jobs out there, we are lazy as a youth.
So now they just have to prisoners. Now they just have to give those people who hard facts. Ooh, child, support me.
Prisoners' job.
They are
Give
not giving
those
them, they are
killers.
making them to work. Ba batlile gore ba bereke instead ya gore ba dule ka kwa ba dulele magobe ba ba
No, we said we don't. You don't. Now you are circling your statement. We don't have problem with them working. You said, "Ge ke boya le nyaka ke dire." Who are you asking that question?
No, re bolela ka ye ya go bereka,
Do
ke
whatever
ye
that
ya
you need to
friend.
do. Now, guys,
Fela ye ya bo ya
prisoners
ke-
must.
ke boela back to ye ya gore ke bua ke dirang, ke boela back to go lentse no ke tsuba di-truck le nkisa ko moloto. Ha ke bua still ke dula mo gae, ma hona ntho e ke e dirang.
O nyaka re di- You chose
Oh,
that for
boela back to
yourself,
di-truck.
guys. You are
Man,
always
ke
blaming
bolela.
people for your
You guys say
crazy.
Obvious.
minds.
Listen,
Obvious.
okay,
How
That's
many
your baby
people
to
went to
feed.
rehab and they were going to Mokasa and went back to
Obvious,
Nyaupe?
or boyela di-drugs. But you're telling me in my private company, I can hire a person on a equivalent.
But you just said
But it's
obvious.
not
You like
obvious,
drugs.
they can't go
You
back
want
to
me
the
to
same
gamble with my
family.
money?
Repeat your question.
But you're telling me I can hire a same person who has a criminal record, but it's not obvious they can go back to the same crime.
A ke re bona
You are justifying
listen to
nonsense at
me.
this point. I am
You
sorry.
are
Okay.
moving on.
What?
You're never
No,
gonna listen to me.
not
Thank you.
no.
You know,
What?
never-
I don't
What?
wanna
Cause
listen to it anymore.
What
gore
you-
a tsebe di-drugs mothola he's not ba ona ntho a leng busy ka yona so ona mo file mmereko.
Oh Lord!
Why are you not smoking drugs right now? Are
Yes.
you busy with
What?
something?
Yes,
Example.
I'm busy
My
with
lady.
media
You
right
can-
now.
Yeah, now you can do that to themselves. Let them
I'm
keep.
working at African
my
Breeze. I'm
lady.
doing
Do
all
you want
this.
the government to think for you? Well, okay, maybe watch YouTube.
No.
Live whatever they should think for themselves. Whatever they
Because
do,
I was
it's
not
nice.
rehabilitated. They are- didn't
Why
think
did they
for
do
me.
that
You
at
said
the
you coming from Moloto.
To-
So, Moloto could have told you.
Moloto.
instead of-
Mara kushishana ba mbisela back to
No,
Moloto
my
nina
lady.
mpe mama drugs pe.
My lady, into iso. Hence, I was saying last podcast story. Not everyone who has a resources, and let's say you don't have resources, you come back from jail. O tlo dula mo kasi mo. Ha ona next. Ane o tla survive ka eng? O tla nagana eng? O sana mmereko. Obvious o tla nagana o etsang o utswa hape.
Let me
Why,
tell you-
guys, are
let
you
me tell
negative?
gore o ka nagana eng.
Lord.
Nagana gore ke shama sweet. I know you
O
might-
itšea kae
listen,
tšhelete
listen,
eo wa
Wa
reka
stoka
maswing?
You
maswing.
might even have a starter. Ne?
Yeah.
Let me tell you this is a starter. My lady, can I do your garden for 20 rand?
I don't
You're
trust
not
the
killing
way from.
everyone's dog.
I don't
Hence,
trust where you're from. You're
hence
from.
usho wena uri o tla mhira bjang
Ah,
a na le
it's a
criminal
prison.
Your
record.
garden.
And we're not even talking about no or mokasi. I'm taking you to mokasi, you're my lady. I don't think you can come to my company, you are my lady. To my company, I'm very much professional.
Ni bona ke batho
Nano ka
mokasi,
eating oil.
guys.
Motho wa ka ke
Ni
go kopela
bona
no
ke
wa re kopela o
batho
direla ka
mokasi.
teng go mo tshepa.
I never mpija Mrs. Manyaupe. So you know me. Now I give them chance. How? Now they know my people. Now I always shout my people, guys. I'm saying we don't give anyone a second chance. You come from rehab, take yourself serious. Sit down with your family members, get the respect and the trust from them. You're not gonna blame me. I'm not gonna get that respect and trust from your own family.
Just like blame people.
Don't blame us.
We don't blame
We are not blaming people.
You are
We are
blaming it on the
no.
And then now you are making
know
them to not
what
even
am
give it
I
a
supposed
chance.
to do? Like,
So you know what
now
uzwile
it's
no
just
lapha ya,
like it's a
what
matter
am I
of,
supposed to
you want
do?
me to
Kubani?
think for you or okay, or you are recovering. Go play soccer just to clear your mind. You
Unyaka
want me to-
kumunakanele.
you want me to tell you that
No, okay, so I'll give you money.
Money to.
We call, she said
Go
refer
for
your
movies.
mind. Angithi uthi uma uhleli uyacabanga.
mind.
Ucabanga ukutshontsha. So manje usafuna ukucabanga ukwenza isokha. Wena ingqondo yakho icabanga ukutshontsha.
Then like,
Angicabangi ukuthi uyenzeni.
after clearing
Awufuni
my
ukuba
mind, like,
namajita le.
akina dijo, akina
Listen,
akina
awufuni ukuba
toothpaste.
namajita le esokheni njengoba nidlala. Niwazi
Amajita
ukuthi we
ngeke
are exchanging.
akuphe imali,
Listen, we're exchanging weights, we're building each other, we are grooming. So wena oh guys, uboshiwe. You still coming with a negative mindset ukuthi amajita angeke banginike imali. La majita obashiya labangana next azange bazama. Wena wahamba uyozama into kubosishi into eyenza ukuthi uboshwe. Come back, fix yourself. Don't tell us about mabangana imisebenzi bazohlanywa bazoyenza. You need to groom yourself. We've been through shit. I for one I know.
Okay,
So,
okay,
but I'm
what-
very
what-
strong.
Tell me now. Tell
Okay,
me now.
yes.
You as an unemployed
We've
person,
been,
what are you
guys.
supposed to do? Are you robbing people?
No, I'm not.
What are you
What
doing?
are you
Because
doing?
you have never robbed people before.
Yes.
Oh, na rob about before. They understand.
Ntongo lengwe na le mathomo. Don't say it before. There's a start. The reason why you what was the reason?
What I'm trying to
You
get
are
my
a criminal.
lady,
You're gonna go
it's-
back there because you are a criminal. You don't go back there because you have nothing to do. You go back there because
That's who you
a
are.
criminal.
Because the fact that you did it for the
Don't tell me
for
what
them
am I
from the
supposed to
beginning,
do?
that's who you
My lady,
are.
Yes,
what
sir.
you are saying is prisoners must not get jobs.
No, ke gana le no.
Listen to me. I'm saying it's a good idea
That
they have to work for what they are getting. Like free, like
Yes.
they're getting free food, free water, free water. They have to work for that.
The problem
Yes.
starts.
A good idea.
Yes.
My problem is that is how are we going to analyze it? How are we going to activate it? How are we going to put it into action? I can now it's still an idea. How we're going to put it into action. Remember how many prisoners do we have? How many prisoners? Like, okay, let me just say we have 6,000 prisoners that we have to create jobs for them so that they can get paid, so that they can get paid for the what they are living. Understand, for their essentials since they're in prison. So there's a person that has to invest, come up with money, come up with resources, give them a job, like give them like a job. This is what you have to do. This is what you have to do. You have to work for this to earn
Keep
this
it
much.
on you. Yeah.
You have to work for this to earn this much. Understand? As an economist, I'm looking at
Thank you.
South African unemployment rate. We're having millions of people that are unemployed, millions of youth that are still looking for a job, even though our president said we are lazy. But there are like millions of people who are looking for a job. Why not the same creation of job given to the same millions of people that are looking out there for a job, instead of people that are not looking, but you just want to give them job as a punishment?
I nearly thought the job is hard
Are
labor.
we still talking about the thing Mkhwanazi again?
Yes.
Moya Mkhwanazi is because of he was talking about the budget that was spent by the prison. Or let's cut the budget because of let those people work for their food. So what rena the texture rena this guy That's
And
why
It makes sense. It does make sense. The
It
problem
does
starts
make
when they
sense.
say
But
when they
my
get
question
out,
is,
where
what
should they go?
is
Then
the
now
action of the plan?
that's
Like,
not my
how
baby
are
to
they
fit.
going to
as
put
long
it
as
in action?
let's say I get no one cut tax let's say budget 1 million for prison. As he thing no again. Why no 1 million for prison now?
Yes,
Already
please.
dijo this month it's a project. I get already na le yona budget.
Gore ba ka se je for a man.
Ba ka topana la plan bana ba bereka go ba phela o ka re wa checka most of the people ba leng ko jele aba je dijo tsa ko jele na you watch podcast ya batho ba ko jele they buy their own food but phela ko jele ko di selling so ba ka dira the same thing e ba e dirang ba they buy their own food we take the money we buy the material we open them the project
as much as they
and
can
then
survive a whole month without food and they manage to take the money and build a project for them. You can still build a project for me. I'm not working.
Bona lebile, they don't even mind. The fact that they can take care of themselves, they don't even need
They were
prison.
able to build that
They don't even need.
exactly.
They don't
But
even
no,
need prison schools.
No, we wanna break the budget of the prison. We're not ska patela bona the tax jar after mo bona ba ka ba te perekela.
And
After
these people that are doing good.
Re ka focus gore re ka direla rena mmereko because of we have cut the budget ya ya ko jela ke budget ya ya ko jela ka create more
Focus.
employment for us.
How?
Pay tax, steal.
But
Tax, every country pay tax. Everyone pay tax in their own country.
Okay,
Hey,
no.
It doesn't solve the problem.
Yeah, the prisoners.
It doesn't solve the
So
problem.
Yeah, or-
continue ka ba
No,
pate
it
ka kwa
doesn't
ba
solve any tax
ka
problem.
Now I stand my-
budgeting.
Guys, I don't know about you. We're gonna continue with this topic. I don't know
No,
why. I don't know
I
if it's
get-
not today, not next week, not the next coming week. But this is something that we're gonna come back for because I'm so interested about it, and I want to check the statistics. I want to check.
Please,
Like I need us to invest on this
No.
because at this point I'm saying they should work for whatever that they're working that side.
Yeah.
But when they get out here, no one should say I need to do
No,
this
no,
because I
like
drink
inside.
it.
No,
So
like
please,
inside,
no.
Mkhona.
Now I
No,
was
but
fuming
about
it
Mkhona
outside.
today.
So sharp, Mkonazi, they should do whatever. We'll come back for this one.
Ntho e lelang kore ba ba fa mebereko ka kwa gare ba fetsa le tax ya lena ba e tsia.
Ke nto
Bayishaka
into
kwa.
mkhona zayikhulumayo ukuthi ukuze ama-prisoners singabafaki ku-budget ye-state kumele bona bazenzele eyabo imali via prison i-prison ukuze thina ama-tax ethu angayitotali ngale imali yangale it should be doing
No,
ama-hospital
he's changing everything as if
Yeah,
now
not
we,
the prison.
with me, I want to fix this. I did agree, I'm the one who's happy about everything.
Yes,
Mkonazi.
we
He
agree
said to
about
me,
No, no, Shumazi,
no,
you
we'll
don't
go
Mkhona,
back.
Mkhona,
We have the
Mkhona,
record.
Yes,
He
we
said,
Astimeni,
the reason
let's
why,
do it.
the reason why I was
We don't
fuming,
agree
I'm not
with
gonna
you.
stop
We
because I want you to
agree with
understand.
you.
The reason why I was fuming is because he said, hey, kichoko jele lirikieke, karu uchama. I'm gonna see everything is
No,
fine.
mara-
She, now I'm coming back. Guys, I will come back with this one. I don't
My
know.
lady.
I want you to Google this. Ke re a re checking. Ya di
No,
prisoners
it
tsa gore mababuya kuma rehab nasemajele kumele bayenziwe and they deserve to find this cause bazobuyela kuphi kuphi. I need us to talk about this and I wish that you guys
Yeah.
can engage. I will
Yes.
definitely
I will also-
we will definitely bring it to our
do researches
TikTok.
for you.
We will take it to our TikTok. We'll take it to our Facebook. So we'll just try to- Because now if ever they saying- If now we are saying we can give them that we have prisoners who are not eating at prison, but they can cook their own food. Already la bono ratelelwa. So guys, masimas lalen ngayo lentele. I'll bring it to our TikTok as well.
And please,
We are coming back with this one.
We
We need to-
because I do my research.
So I don't know. Maybe we might have someone. God, you not JD Massive, but guys, I want this one. I'm investing on it. I don't owe any prisoner any work after it.
Yeah,
We are
mara-
told how much was again. Monga ifuma nambo pupa.
Yeah, as a research ko yene vele re ka se never sa buele ko yona.
I don't want to go back there anymore.
Yeah, re ka se ibalele ntho e wa re aba tswa ka kwa ka mo ntle mo ba tlo ira.
Ke ntho ke rile research, you know. That's what I'm
Yes.
telling my people to
So,
do. Because araba koloti next.
Yeah.
Search that one.
Re tswile mo le lamtse ba ba re ke me Mandisi Tsingani. Yey. The influencer it's story se ne re bolela ka sona last week se sa gore ngwana wa batho o lahle like aba so mo rekele pie ya 40 rand. Yeah, so
Oh yeah, yeah.
Baby boy.
the influencer is he I can say borge mitse ka she or he
Oh.
Ma.
Isn't it he?
assist chipis
Who?
What's
Who?
that? Yeah?
Manje,
Eh? What's that?
GPT
LGBTQ.
yeah
Oh, LGBTQ community.
I yeah is plus community yeah
I'm so lost. I want to come back to you guys. I'm like,
So it's the person we're talking about is the LGBTQ community, and we're just not sure about their pronouns. So we're just gonna call them they for now.
sure
okay.
Bani
They.
They.
Yeah.
Mina ngibazi ngesichipiza.
No, we're gonna call them they now.
Oh, they.
Yes, please.
They,
Sharp
them.
they.
Oh.
They them. Ba.
My magai one.
No,
It's they.
it's always they.
My one.
It's always they.
Oh, they. Oh.
I'm saying it's
Oh,
always they.
oh,
No manga
them.
kodwa. It's always they
It's
them.
them.
Okay.
So whenever you're talking about them, you just have to say them.
Them.
Yes,
Okay.
it makes sense, and I know you know.
So they did what?
So
Manje, what are you doing? No, guys, when's that?
Okay, you can talk.
Yeah, now you can talk.
oh them.
Guys, he was starting to do like, oh, so manje, and I'm like,
No, I marana
Oh, so
babantu.
ever join
Marana babantu.
I know they talk like, no, bona it's nice. Bona I know libile ngiyale mungiba gadlaza babe. So
I
yena
like
manje
it.
yena ugadlazela phansi uthi.
No.
And I'm like,
I just wanted to show them ukuthi I'm not
joining
Them.
yeah.
we together, babe.
My
Okay.
bizan le igama lesilungu. I'm not
Homophobic.
yes.
Yes. That one.
Yeah.
What about them?
Yeah, so uMandisi
Mhm.
he uzwele umntana abantu isono celela ama donations
Okay.
donatela buma
60,000.
60,000.
Yeah.
Wow.
60,000.
Yeah. So like yeah,
Oh
I've
my
seen trending. So he donated
God.
like 90, and then they got like up to 60,000, and then they give it to the parents.
Wow, that's
And it
nice.
was like.
Kapai, okay memola, okay mem.
Uka
stupid.
Uphi lowo
Awu,
kathi?
usebenzile nebonene
Usebenzile yazi, he was sent by
Cabanga
God.
ngaba
Yeah,
He was
ma'am.
sent by God.
Without you, without you, we
She
are
could have,
nothing.
like, that 60,000.
Bophelo. Kahle kahle.
ziyasebenzisana.
Yeah, ma'am, we love you.
Can work together.
Next time do better
Our
than
last
that.
episode, we were questioning her. Was like, what did you even take the video? Why were you?
Yeah.
And now
So
you're
she has a
getting
reason.
60,000.
Testimony.
no
Hey,
guys wo engathi niyamglorify lo mama lo asibongeni
We say
uNkulunkulu
give
ukuthi
him to God.
No, we say amen to God.
Yeah.
That no.
uNkulunkulu asibonakalise.
Hey, yena bekathi uyala, lalela. Yena bekathi uyala. No, lalela. Yena bekathi uyala. uNkulunkulu athi wena wangafela. Do you know who I am? I walk with heels. Sometimes
Above.
I'm always above, I big.
Eish.
Yeah, so now I think Mem is not doing well, and I believe that Mem is one of the people who donated.
Usasekhona kanti kule sikole.
I think she
Ah,
donated.
No,
I think
because
engathi
it's
bamu
got suspended or something.
Yeah.
maybe.
I think suspension.
Yeah.
No, bakasimukuba, I think
PhD,
it's suspension.
something.
It's suspension, and then after that, I think she needs to.
Kumele bamsuspend bamise like bamtrain.
I was about to say that she needs to go back to school, and because now you cannot be a teacher of
train
my foundation face and do that
Phela yini into ayenzayo?
as a mother.
mina angasawuthola umsebenzi.
So uyenza bakhala nge-unemployment so creating unemployment wena futhi.
But again, we were talking about as last week we were talking about teachers who are very rude and whatnot.
Yeah.
Teachers are our parents' when we are not
Yeah.
around. But if ever she's that parent to my child, I beg,
Rude one.
step aside.
Lo muntu
Step
lo
aside.
upruvile ukuthi akayelanga umsebenzi wakhe lapha.
No, because those
Ngoba
bad.
Ebe i-chance, ena
No, akusiphatha umsebenzi wakhe loya. Kwamele mfethu uma uchoose umsebenzi uyenze ngokuthanda. Uyangithola. Not uye hayi man.
Yona mara mawuchoose inkinga yethu vele.
Walla.
Yeah, not ukuthanda.
Don't lie though.
No, hayi inkinga ibhlungu lento yenza ikusasemncane lo mntana lo hayi ama trauma wa face ayo.
Kulungakhali
Unemali.
Mfethu akuseyakhe abazali bakhe uzoyenzani manje umncane
Hayi
kanje.
le mali yeso soyifaka ku trust yelo mntwana makaceda imatric.
Yeah.
60,000.
Eh,
And how is this
manje
supposed
Yes.
Ira kiri.
No, aye
Guys,
mara.
What?
Remember.
South African
Yes.
stop.
Badirenka yona. Oh happy cost badirenka
Oh.
yona.
They must like spend it wisely. At least advise them to do that. You
But
can't tell
it's
them
not
to
like it's a
buy
lot.
something
But
for
60,000.
Until I turn 18 ukabele bukai.
But-
My shalom,
guys.
Bo, guys,
And I think le amali
the
leya.
parents didn't even, the fact that the parents didn't even
And then
afford
all
to
the-
contribute to
100,000
buy that
doesn't
pie,
even,
which
Yeah.
means they
afford
don't
your
have.
college fee.
Yes,
Then you guys are giving him like the fact that they didn't even afford
pie
to
for
contribute.
Yes. What are you telling me to
Paya
invest
for
in
Tiranda.
them?
To come ukuthi
Then now
abanye
you
abana
guys,
next.
you are giving me 60 rand. You still want me to keep it safe? Take your money.
Invest it.
Take your money once.
Why
I've been surviving.
Women
that's
may
all-
use
These donation things, I hate.
What do you want? Oh, you mean you giving me taste of
nya nya nya
Taste of
Zobakela
nothing.
yo.
no bona
Okay,
mngani wami
take your
bona
money back,
mngani
I don't
wami
want it
hence
anymore.
anti phela nyeke bathatha yonke i-60,000 bathatha if i-60 sithatha i-20 siyayisebenzisa i-40 iyela mntwana wekuthi ikista esenze something makeceda imatric
Sure.
cabanga lo mntwana manje
Parents,
Mara mina-
parents
mara
should do
bona
that
uyazi
money wisely.
ngikhalelani yazi
Sure.
ngikhalelani let's say le mntwana manje ina 7 years right and manje sibamnika i-60,000 le 60,000 le mntwana ucabanga ukuthi uzoyibona ngeke azayibona yongela abazali bona
Vele baphe
Bona,
abazali.
ayeli, mina-
Vele
uyabona
baphe
ma-
abazali.
Yeah, uyabona
Because
kule
if baphe umntwana wonke umuntu ngabe ithathile manje. What are you saying? They give parents because they know that they are parents.
mara lesini ize ngale ntwana
Yeah,
le ntwana mele
Uyabona,
igimfutsofuso
mina-
bayo
mina advice
Oh my
engingabapha
God.
yona ne uyabona
Parents should
ngithi
use that money wisely.
i-advice engingabapha yona ukuthi bona ngithi bayi like abantu abaphuwa so
but
le idea ka my lady le bekasho ukuthi makathathe lawo masenti lawa athenga amasweet athengise bangavula ibhizinisi
I think they know what
hey
I think they know.
enye bayibekele le ntwana
I never.
Not begging anything.
We not
le
begging
ntwana lenze
anything.
thi mayikhuluma
You are the good parent.
bona le video
We are
traumatic
not.
mathi check
I
it guys ana
never.
fuck
Angithi uyithola
I took
kule
up- I say,
business
yeah,
If
yeah.
they
evula.
started a business, that's the a form of
The investment.
Started a business, then
mara
it's
nga
time
not
to
ngayo
let
mina
it
ngikale
go.
not ngayo yonke imali
Never, that's not
imali
his
uinveste
money.
ngayo yonke imali
Because if you give him now at
Oh,
his
yeah.
age, what he
type of investment.
That's
If you
what
started,
it is.
if you started business, it's an investment. That business has to last you longer to save money for your matric and
forever to do all of everything.
what if you fail investment eo
Why are you
when
negative?
wena o tjere tšhelete kaofela wa isa
Why are you
Why
negative?
are you negative?
you have to it's sometimes positive lo lla ba re go ka tsore le motho wa phela o le happy le bible ya
Please say it with
Bible-
please say that in
Bible-
English.
Bible
Please say that in English.
you can't always be happy you have to Barking,
Yeah.
you have to compare your negativity and your positivity you can't always be positivity if you are positive you have to think of negative that's how you balance life
No, you
I
can't
can't just
balance
say
life with
I can't just say
negativity.
what if
I
I
am
walk
very
out of here and
positive.
then abantu repo
I
what
am
is
very
abantu repo
positive. Hence, I believe that if you did wrong
My
and then they
people-
take
you have to
there, you
prepare
come
for the
back to shame.
negative. You also have to
I
prepare
am
for the
very
negative. You
much
can't always
positive
prepare for the
because
negative.
I've been in this
positive.
industry and I've seen some
What's Malene
negativity
Buffett?
and I have a way
Oh,
of dealing with them. So mina anginasikhathi sokuba negative. When I focus on something, I like you know me. If you know me, you know me. In
What
3
did
months,
you on the left hand side? Also
in 3
do on the
months
right-hand
you
side.
lose weight and people think that you did the surgeries. You get my point? From a
Ay,
seat,
na mo jala reason.
then you go to a from Mikuku, you go to the upstairs. You tell yourself you positive, you focus, no negativity. No me vuli netho hamba emvuleni angeke angeke manzi.
yeah
Yes.
bona family
Oh,
ningazi
Alithi.
ayane
family.
thathani leyo mali leyo yane
Yeah.
nivuleni ibhizinisi nyana
Thank
or
you.
Not
something.
ngayo yonke. 20,000 makubele
never.
mntwana.
Akadonatanga
Yeah,
futhi lo.
nimshiyele 5,000
Akadonatanga
Fine.
futhi lo.
Not even
Sikhulumile
5
ngayo la.
Akadonatanga
Ni-
futhi lo.
nimshiyele-
Khalile ngayo le ntwana.
nimshiyele
Bengikhala ngiwala la
5,000
esofeni.
sasencane le ntwana nimshiyele 5,000
5,000. Cabanga.
nithathe leyo
Libe ningayishiki ka December
5,000.
kuyomrekela diaparo la phusha le batswadi you
Yeah.
guys are doing very good.
20,000 yale
You are the
ntwana.
best parent ever.
40
Animnika ngale ya 40 rand
Finish
cause
and grab.
litsibile hore ne le tlo ke hore ka borotho ka osane because ngele khatle di chomi. Ngwane nke sna next but God is great.
Ile
Now
ntwana
you have
ikhalile la.
mola mala
Bye-bye,
mala
bye-bye,
mala.
guys.
asivaleni
We-
kaya sithi
we-
shout out
oh.
to Mandisa nsi bathi ntsingane or bani sorry
Thank you
Oh,
so
yeah,
much
yeah,
Mandisa.
yeah.
Shara
Shout out to you,
shara.
What you did is great.
You deserve some
bathi
flowers.
sisayivala bafethu ngicela ningithandazekile nami nge-28 bathi ngiyadlala lapha e-TX
We
Theatre
perform.
Moses Moleleko theatre
Alright.
at Tembisa just after ZCC
Center.
Eh,
Ngithembisa ko center.
no estradini somokhulong stadium
Oh.
yes
Kreke
Ye
enkulu
28.
ya ZCC
Yes,
ka mo
28
next yona
March,
center
this 28
opposite St John.
Hi.
Ke go Tshepo opposite Johnson opposite Jason Jona go next door ya St John ke Roma and then next door straight le ZCC wa jumpa skontiri ke makhulong ka Slack. Bye guys.
ticket is for free like
Oh.
it's
Oh, bafethi siya.
Ariel!
all
The
right
agents, give
yeah
us the details.
sendela the details
Okay,
actually
okay,
it's a Gomec, it's a competition
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a competition ro computer so if you have something or maybe poem music dance or drama
Yeah.
theatre wabona ntwe biyao you can go and try your luck.
Oh.
If you want to experience or
Have fun,
learn
new things,
Yeah.
content
you are welcome to
creators.
come and watch
Go there.
and support.
That's nice.
Abafundi bebefana, they are welcome to watch. Those who want to compete and do the stuff, they can
Again,
do it.
you know, and
Yeah.
show off your talent, you are there.
Oh,
Guys, I'll be there because yo, oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
No, 28
yeah.
guys. No, 28.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Nizwi,
Hayi.
yeah.
Izile wena.
Are we wrong?
Because tuizile wena.
And you go,
I mean,
Oh wow! Okay, okay, we're closing it very well. We're closing it very well. Alright, that's it, close, guys. See you guys next week.
Yeah,
Bye,
don't
bye,
forget to
bye.
subscribe.
But-
Basithi we owe.
but
where okay, guys.
Since ibona isidumbuli xa bucket vena mina sexikorokoro
Uma wari zilungisa le moto.
ilungisa ngani uhlula ukulungisa lesikorokoro
Salibonani bantu abadala.
bafundisi
Yebo, ngizela ulungile lapha manje ukuthi size khuluma kancane.
Ulungile usengakabuya esikoleni.
Babe problem ukuthi vele besihlanganisile ukuthi sizahlangana namuhla.
Mfundisi, ucabanga ukuthi lento yakhe counseling izomsiza ulungile?
Babe counseling angikwazi manje ukuthi ulungile ugcwele inzondo ngaphakathi manje ngisaba ukuthi angagcina ephelele egehena.
Egehena usho esihogweni usho ukuthini
bafundisi isho gogo shayini kangona wami la kungifakela tibhati
Hayi baba umntwana ngimfakela amabhadi mina ngizama ukumsave kuphela.
No, ungasamsafe baba, ikhona indlela esizoyithola yakulungile siyabonga. Hamba.
basile abantu laba batata stadium batekela abantu imali lokhu bayeta khona lungile utangikuma Malawi street
Eh?
fuka bo
Lo mfundisi ngathi nokhara lo.